It's refusing to focus on you.
I think it senses my inner demons.
Why is...
Because it senses my inner demons. It doesn't want to focus on them. They will expose me. Hello, children. It is I, your favorite, foul-mouthed, sarcastic, lazy mom friend. And we are back with a new recipe. Well, not new. I just was feeling a little uninspired and tired, so we're doing French bread. Homemade, easy French bread, and it's not impressive, and it's not a wow recipe, but there's nothing like a good homemade bread. 2 tablespoons of yeast right here, dissolved in a half cup of warm water. So we're going to grab a bowl to stick my half cup of water in. That's not a bowl.
You're a
That's
bowl.
a bowl. I'm adorable.
Yes.
I beat you to it.
You did indeed.
Yes.
Your oven is very noisy when it preheats.
I know. Alright, I'm gonna stick this in here. Half cup of water. See how my hands are clean, it's fine. It's not like lukewarm. I'm gonna give it like 10 more seconds in the microwave. Yeah, that's fine.
That bowl empty. Yeast.
But it's not empty.
It doesn't have yeast in it.
But you said that bowl empty, not of yeast, just empty yeast. Logic is not on your side here, dear.
That's because I'm quoting.
1.
Thank you very much.
Ooh. I'm gonna just mix it together just a little so it can dissolve a little more naturally. So we're gonna grab a small spoon for that. You know what? We're gonna take this moment right here to divert, sidetrack, and give a loving shout out to my good friend Stacy, who, even though engaged, helped me expose a potential catfish and definite boy. Thanks, Stace. You're a doll. Mwah.
Woo!
And if the boy in question ever watches this, I'm not sorry. You present yourself so badly. Yes, thank you.
I love that little jingle.
Oh, I know you do.
If I were an oven, that would be the noise I'd make.
I feel like that's the noise you make even as a person.
That wasn't quite right.
No,
But
this
it
is
was
microwave
pretty
safe.
close.
I think this is microwave safe.
It's metal?
I mean, sort of.
I-
I can't tell if it's metal or not. Oh, Raven
It's-
gave it to me for Christmas.
That's metal. Don't put that in the microwave.
okay. But it's a camping mug.
So? Still got metal in it.
It's dishwasher safe, at least.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? We're just
Lots of things are dishwasher safe that should not be put in the microwave.
okay. We're just gonna start with this mug. And we're gonna take one here and put it in there and stick it in the microwave, and then do it again because I don't have anything big enough for the that is microwave safe for 2 cups of hot water.
So yeah, fill that, put it in the mug, then fill that, and put them both in.
This is not microwave safe.
It's not?
I don't think so.
Really?
I don't think so. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. Don't at me, okay?
Because I've put those things in the microwave many times.
Papa?
Yeah?
Are the measuring cups microwave safe?
Or which?
Are the measuring cups microwave safe?
The glass one.
Good question. I'm gonna try.
I mean, if they're anything like...
My guru has let me. I'm gonna Google this.
I think they are.
Okay, I'm gonna Google it.
It's glass. Like...
Well, some things are glass should not be put in the microwave. Are the
Let's see, does it say anything? For microwave use, not for stovetop. For microwave use, not for stovetop.
Let me Google this.
For microwave use, not for stovetop. For... I gotta focus. Come on, camera. For...
Simply put, yes, it is.
Microwave
Okay. Thank you,
use.
Google. You have not failed me.
For microwave use. They're very blurry. Hang on. It's not focusing on you at all. Come, camera. What are you doing? What?
I'm gonna give them 20 seconds and then we'll see. Isn't this a pretty mug, though?
It is very pretty.
Yeah. We got it at
Low-key
World Market.
jealous. Oh, nice. Good old World Market.
Yes. All right, so 2 cups of hot water, and then I believe I go to 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Take off my keys because I'm jingling.
You are, but it's okay. It's kind of cute.
You don't need it in the background.
I forgot to see when I put the yeast in. Don't check it yet. But I forgot. I said 10 minutes, and I don't know what 10 minutes was because I didn't look at the time because I'm an idiot.
I'd say it's been about 3.
Thank you. I trust you.
It's a guess.
Your kiss is smudging. Here. It's cute though, but like, wait, actually, can you go towards like a better lighting? There we go. No, turn towards me so I can see the kiss. I kissed him, and it's smudging, and that's not bad. What a face.
I was like, I don't know what to do now.
I don't. Alright.
This is why I'm behind the camera and not in front of it.
Not hot.
Feeling hot, hot, hot.
But it's not. Did I look demented there a little bit?
Maybe.
That's okay. Keeps the fear alive. Not in me, of me.
No, yeah. I got it.
That's hot. Where does it say microwave safe?
On the front.
Oh.
For microwave use.
I never look at this. I only look at the measurements on the side. Alright. So, 1 cup.
1 cup, 2 cup, red cup, and blue cup.
3 tablespoons of sugar. Oh god.
Ooh,
I caught it. That was so close, but I caught it. 1. Oh, that was nice.
It was.
2. Not as nice. Well, yeah, but that's satisfying. 3. There it is.
Winners.
But the first and third were.
We could all be losers, though.
Let's do it. I'm going to do 2.5 teaspoons of salt. So, teaspoon, salt, 1, 2, half. A 1/3 cup of oil. It does not specify what kind of oil, so I'm just going to leave it to your discretion. I, for one, want to use this oil that I bought for my father forever ago and that has not been used enough. It is a sunflower, avocado, and coconut oil blend, which I feel like all of these have the potential to be light enough to actually go well together.
That sounds super fancy.
It was like $3. God bless Home Goods. Right, so. Wow, it pours so slowly. Okay, we've hit 1/3 cup. Half cup oil.
Woo!
Which seems like a lot of oil, I know, but I have the feeling the recipe's going to turn out to be more than I thought it would be again. Hence, of course it will, because 6.5 cups of flour. Why won't this just go down all the way? You know what? I quit. It's done. It's fine.
All right.
A half cup of oil. And then... No, I'm wrong. It's a 1/3 cup of oil. I am a failure.
Well, you haven't dumped it in yet, so you can still save it. And you can just dump the rest back in.
I mean, not really.
Why not?
Because it's a fancy top. Gonna add my first
I'll
3 cups
focus
of
on
flour. Oh
you.
no, you don't have to do that till I'm doing the last one.
Well, they don't need me to watch. They don't need to watch me. Okay, hang on.
They don't need to watch you pour the oil?
Yes, there we go. Word,
2.
sentence, structure, and order just left my brain.
Now I'm gonna mix these together, so give me 1 second.
1.
You can shut it. Alright, we're going to... Ooh, look at the yeast, my friends.
Ooh.
Where's my whisk? There's my whisk.
Look at that.
Do I say where's my whisk every video? Because I feel like I do.
Frequently. I don't know if
Yeah.
it's been every video, but it's definitely been at least like 2 or 3, which is pretty much we have.
So I just mix that in.
Nice and goopy.
Yes, so we're going to put that here for right now because I got to put this one in, and we're gonna grab a. Well, I have a spatula. We're gonna. This is not what this is intended for, but I'm using it anyway. Savannah, help me. Back is bad. Back is bad. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good friend.
What is that for?
I have no f***ing clue, but it's not for this.
I enjoy it. It looks cool.
It does look cool. Yeast.
Yes.
We're gonna get the excess with a little rubber spatula. It smells so good. It smells yeasty, but it smells like fresh bread, so it smells good.
Nice.
Alright, so I'm gonna just mix this again, just a little. You know, no, I'm not, because I feel like that's just gonna make it bad for me next time. So, we're gonna. No! Not that. We're gonna switch these.
Very nice.
If anybody knows what this is used for, please let us know in the comments, because I got no f***ing clue, guys.
I mean, it looks like, you know, when you go to like a fancy pizza place or whatever, and they have the big flat wood thing that they use to shift it in that big open ovens. It looks like some kind of breadstick, is what I'm. Yeah.
Or, I have two.
Someone's fancy.
I was not kidding when I said I got a lot of cooking stuff a couple Christmases ago.
Nice.
Yeah, I've used both.
You could like, I feel like you could fly with those if you flapped hard enough.
Yeah. So I've got 3 cups of flour and everything in there. So now I'm going to add the remaining 3.5 cups of flour, and you have to mix it after each addition, and you want to go slow so you can see the dough start to peel away from the walls of the bowl. 1. I'm gonna mix 2 ways. I just like to get mix it with the whisk just enough so I can get the flour in, so I can see it going in, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And then since it's getting thicker now, I think I'm gonna have to retire the whisk after this one addition, and we're just gonna, sorry, I just splashed you.
Thank you for your service, Whisk.
Savannah is very indulgent of me and my love of pretty people.
Yes.
As our dear friend will tell you, there are 2 things you should know about me. Number 1, I'm petty as f***. Number 2, I'm thirsty. But only for the looks. 2 cups. And like, pretty comes in so many different flavors. So that's why everyone's like, what's your type? Pretty.
Yes.
Okay, so we're seeing it start to come away from the walls now. I still have 1.5 cups of flour to do though. I just gotta get this stuff in. So last full cup.
Woo! Gotta love that cocaine.
I swear, every time, do we need to talk about your coke addiction, Savannah?
This is my drug. Baked goods.
I thought caffeine might be your drug.
I mean, if it affected me.
Yeah, see, here's the thing. Like, I can drink coffee and go to sleep 30 minutes later. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, caffeine does nothing for me.
Caffeine does something for me if I've gotten 1 hour of sleep and I need it to make it enough to drive to my appointment half an hour away. And even then, not really, because I just natural adrenaline kicks in at that point.
Yes.
Okay.
A new spoon.
Yeah, the other one was too big.
How exciting.
You only made 1 this video? That's...
We're just getting started, I feel.
No, all that's left is I gotta roll it and put it in the oven. After I do the last one.
Well, then I guess so. I guess it's only 1.
Well, so far.
Ripperoni. Yes. Same.
So it has come away from the walls, as you can see, and it's wonderful. But now I have to get more of the wet inside to expose to the flour. So I don't have a whole lot of flour sitting at the bottom of the waste.
Has gone from introvert to extrovert.
But I need ambivert.
Ah.
You know what? I think that's as much as I'm gonna get. So, don't eat raw dough. This is a bad idea.
If it's a bad idea, then why are you eating it?
Because I need to see if I need to taste it to see if I need more sugar or not.
Okay.
A little bit. And I just need like a little sprinkling.
Excellent.
You had your chance.
Excellent.
There it is.
No, you got it. It's part of the process.
Oh, where I frown at you? For all
No, it's like excellent, and then it's the pause and the look, and then excellent.
I hate that you put so much thought into it.
I've got to put thoughts somewhere, okay? I got to use my 2 brain cells for something.
You mean aside from gay fanfiction?
Listen, you didn't need to call me out like that, okay?
I was not saying anything.
Nice. But yes, to answer your question, yes.
Tell
One
her-
brain cell goes to fanfic, the other goes to memes.
What about puns?
I
Are
include puns in the memes.
Okay.
That's like one category.
Okay. We're gonna
My
stick-
personal brand of humor category.
It's still bad for you. I like raw dough.
Yeah.
There are no eggs in it, so it's not bad with that. Like, there's no salmonella risk.
Yeah.
Except raw flour is terrible for you.
Really?
Yep.
How so?
I think it has something to do with the I hesitate to say germs, but like from the raw wheat or like the processing of it.
Oh.
Yeah.
The more you know.
Yeah, there's a reason. There's a warning: do not consume raw flour on the flour bags.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Let me find it. Flour is raw. Please cook fully before enjoying. Cook before sneaking a taste. So it's not saying don't eat it, but it's saying, hey, you should cook it first. Flour is not ready to eat and must be thoroughly cooked before eating.
Yep.
To prevent illness from naturally occurring bacteria in wheat flour, do not eat or play with raw dough. Alright, so it's bacteria.
Yeah, okay, that's why I was like,
Thanks,
I know
bacteria.
germs was the wrong word, but like, y'all knew what I meant.
Yes.
Sort of. Now, after the fact.
We have learned.
It's all been added, so we're gonna let it. I think it's been sitting for what, like 3 minutes?
I'd say 2.
Alright, so we're gonna let it sit for 8 more because it has to sit for 10 minutes.
Cool.
In the meantime, I am going to flour my counter.
Alright. Very nice.
That's your cocaine
Beautiful distribution.
drug joke.
Oh,
Yep.
I didn't even... Oh, man. Did you call it an oven tray?
You know, cookie sheet oven tray. Something?
Yeah, I know. I was like, huh.
I mean, it is a cookie sheet, but I'm not using it for cookies at the moment.
No, I think oven tray makes more sense. I just realized, I was like, huh.
Okay,
What
where
about?
is my little brush? Where's the little brush?
Wasn't this missing last time, too?
Yeah. So you want to have a greased flour cookie tray, oven sheet. But since I don't like to spray grease on and everything, because I find that doesn't work as well, we're gonna butter this bad boy up. Oh no, I'm dumb. Because I have my bread thing down there.
Oh!
Well,
Rip. It was a bread-educated guess.
it was an unbreducated guess.
Yes.
And literally anyone else, you will want to butter / grease up your tray because that's what the recipe says. I have a bread tray down there and I forgot. So,
Oops. Oops-a-doopsie.
okay, so we're going to take that out and we're going to separate it into 3 pieces.
Ooh.
Alright, are we ready for the satisfaction?
Yes. Nice. Beautiful.
Okay. Oh, there's the wet.
She's lump, she's lump, she's lump, she's in my head.
I don't know that one.
How do I know this song? I'm trying to remember. I feel like it was on a rock band or a not garage band, a Guitar Hero or something. One of the early ones.
Knowing you is
There's also the Weird Al version of Gump.
Don't know
It's
that.
Gump. It's about Forrest Gump.
It's Weird Al, not to talk.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna start this one. It's very soft and pillowy.
It looks like it. I definitely got distracted and was watching you do it, and I had like the camera tilted down. I wasn't paying attention. I was just watching you mold the dough.
Mold young minds.
Yes. What if... Never mind.
What? No, say it. I'm curious now.
I thought of like, what if like literally that's how teachers worked? It was like literally like a universe where they opened up your head and like literally molded
I'm very grateful I don't live in that universe.
your mind.
Oh,
Hi.
baby. Where?
I don't know. I heard her.
Dad, is Stella outside?
Rescue the child. Hi.
Yes.
Come on inside. Hi.
Hello, sweetheart.
There she goes. Oh God. It's just no.
It's a great stress relief.
It's just me. I was just. You know how sometimes when it's quiet and your brain just the random thoughts happen.
Yeah.
And so the thought that popped into my head was, "What a mad banquet of darkness!" And I was just like, "Oh, what are you, brain? What are you doing?"
I don't think it knows.
That's a valid point.
I'm tossing a brain right now.
Excellent.
Actually, it's about the weight of a brain, so.
Cool.
It is also entirely plausible that I've been over kneading these, but they needed to be kneaded. I realized it before you said it.
I know. What does over kneading do?
So instead of it being like sort of soft and like elasticy,
Mm-hmm.
it gets a little tougher and then it loses a lot of the pull.
Okay. How does that affect the baking?
Well, so that it makes it harder to roll out.
Oh, okay.
And then since it's harder, you're not going to get as soft a dough as you would like to.
Got it.
But this is so wet
Excuse me.
that it needs a little bit. Just don't say it. Gotta roll it out.
Autobots. Roll out.
I hate you. Actually, we're going to use one of these because I have my thing in the oven already reheating this entire time.
Very nice.
Always make sure your rolling pin is floured up so it does not stick to the dough when you roll it out. That is a necessity every time. Do not care what you're making, it's a necessity.
Look for the bare necessity, simple bare necessity.
I knew that was coming.
The bread necessities.
So
It doesn't
put
rhyme,
off. No.
but it's true.
So this one says to roll it out to a 9x12. And I'm really bad at measurement, so we're going to see how this goes. I usually roll to whatever feels right. Okay,
I mean, it's slightly bigger than your average piece of paper.
Yeah. Next step
Mm-hmm.
is to roll it up.
They see me rolling.
I hate you.
Banging. White and nerdy. Look at me, I'm white and nerdy. I'm white and nerdy.
And then I'm gonna place the first one.
It's a noodle.
I know, it's a big noodle. Like that.
A large noodle. I guess you could say you whisked it all.
We already used that one.
I know, but it's a new video. Bless. What a good noodle.
It's not yet. No. Bad noodle.
He's
Okay.
trying his best.
Better noodle. I just wiped the stove down. Alright, so right now we are going to check the last one. I know there's an egg wash. I just don't need to know if I do it before or after I slice it. That's wrong.
Slice and dice. Baby.
You always want to put once you rolled it, you're going to want to put the dough on your whatever tray you're using, seam side down, and then we are going to make 3 to 4 diagonal cuts, about 1/4 inch thick in the bread, and then you're going to brush it with your beaten egg wash and stick it in the oven. Oh, no, never mind. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. You have to let it rise uncovered for 30 to 40 minutes in a warm place.
Ah, I'd say on top of the stove is a warm place.
I'd say on top of the stove might be too warm a place.
On the counter, maybe?
Probably, but I have to wipe the counter off. Give me a bit. Alright, darlings, you start with 3 to 4 cuts about a 1/4 inch thick. Will that be a bit? There, we'll do it like that. We'll widen that a bit. Diagonal. You always want them to be diagonal cuts. So 1.
Why?
I don't know. It just looks better aesthetically, I think.
Cool.
And I think it's something to do with venting.
That makes sense.
1, 2.
Yes. Good.
Alright, so 4, 3, 4. Brush with egg. And then we're gonna leave it. It says like 22 to 40 or 30 to 40 minutes. We're gonna go with 30.
Sounds like Gucci.
Alright. We'll leave that.
Woo! Look at the bread. He's been sitting for a while now.
Okay, so it says bake 175 for 375 for 18 to 22 minutes or until golden brown. That's been on since like
The beginning of time.
2 hours now?
Yes.
2.5 hours. So I'm gonna start with 10 minutes. I'll check back in 10 minutes. And let us put these in the oven.
Yes. Your fancy breadstone.
This is where I'm gonna struggle. Oh no.
Oh
Oh no.
spatula.
Yeah, I need a spatula. Probably not what it's for, but we're gonna
It is
try.
now.
It is now. Shut up.
What is that jingle for?
That means the oven's been open too long.
Oh.
This is not gonna go well. No!
Oh no! I'll take the ugly one. Whichever one ends up being the ugliest.
They're all gonna be ugly, let's be honest. Shut up!
Oh no! Oh no!
Shut up, oven. Don't do this to me. Shut up. Okay. I don't care anymore. Okay.
Well.
I don't care anymore. I should have buttered this, honestly. I failed that one. Okay.
Well, now we know for next time.
So one of them died, and I'm very ashamed. You can see. I fucked it up so badly. Oh my god.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
Badly. When you don't succeed at all. Jesus Christ. Okay, hold on. No, don't be stuck to the bottom. Don't mess me up even more. Okay, there's one.
Like a penis.
Why?
There's my boy right there.
Your boy is breaking apart. There he is.
Every now and then I fall apart.
I got one good one. One okay one. And one that I just so badly.
There's this guy. And then these two over here. I'm ready.
Okay, be careful.
Am I ever?
No, but be careful.
That's hot. Hang on.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said be careful. Father, thoughts? Speak for the camera.
It's not bad at all.
Okay, for our first attempt.
Well, our first attempt tastes great, looks like hell.
Okay, only one of them looks like hell. Thank you very much, but yeah, I picked that up. Savannah, are we ready?
We're gonna go for it, and hopefully I don't die.
Like you did with the pie. We did good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh man. Yeah, that's really good.
Now I know for next time what to do.
It's really good.
Alright. Sayonara, my dears.
Okay, and
Oh, wait.
and there's tools, there's additional equipment that'll help.
The chef. He knows what he speaks of. Alright.